Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. Today I want to talk about aleph.js, the next.js for deno, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about MDX. So this is the command that you need to run when you need to execute aleph.js.org. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say type with me. I'm going to pick 2, and then I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say no. Right, and now it's been set up. So now I'm having deno task dev, and this will run the server, but of course I first need to go to type with me. Then I can say deno task dev, and if you open up deno.json, you see that we have tasks task dev start build and so on. So if I go to localhost 80,000, you see here the full stack framework in deno aleph.js gives you the best developer experience for building web applications with modern tooling. If you want to go to docs, and that's something that I found very strange, because you can refresh it and then you will see that you will go to docs. Also there, the speed, in my opinion, is not so very good. So yeah, I see that there is still a little bit of work that needs to be done. You also, if I refresh, you get started. You have here React MDX, API, and so on. So if I now go to the docs, I'm gonna add typewithme.mdx because that's just the new page that I want to add. And that's also something that I really like. Right, I can now show you a little bit how MDX works. This is the title of a page, so I'm gonna do something like this, getting started, and then you do something like type with me, and I can put my name here or my initials. I can put here type with me docs, put here hello, this is the initial page for type with me. So great. Now I can create a component. So what we're going to do here is creating a component. So I created a component special button.txt. So well, actually it's a counter button, so I'm going to rename this. Counter button. Alright, so that's a counter button. I'm going to import React useState from React. And well, it needs to be aleph slash. So I'm gonna do that. We're going to change it, right? So I'm gonna change it, and now it's aleph react. Of course, we are going to export this this component. It's a counter component, right? You have some HTML here, then you have some functions, right? And then we have, of course, our state. And we export default counter. So now when I go right here, import counter from, then you do something like this. And then we are doing that. So I also need to save this. So actually this needs to be just React. I was wrong, it should be just React. So I'm gonna save it again. I'm gonna execute this one again, and then we will see what it will be, what the result will be. So if I go to this page and get started, and we have also an extra link. If I now refresh the page, I can very easily use my counter, can use reset. So again, within MDX and also within aleph.js, you can very easily use these kind of components. Of course, you need to style them again, or you need to fine-tune them again a little bit here. But it's just to show you what the possibilities are and how easy it is to use, for example, MDX within aleph.js, but maybe also within just your React.js application, and go along with that. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, in my opinion, aleph.js is on its way to become a very great framework. Still, there are some things that are not working. Again, it could be me, I don't know, but I just set this up, and I have no knowledge about this, right? So I just try this out and see what it does and play around with it a little bit. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. It's great to have you here. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.